Guys, and welcome to the part 2 of the troubleshooting the home theater Creative Cambridge Soundworks DWT 200, pardon. As you probably remember, in my previous video, in the part 1, I explained the problem that I encountered with my speakers right here. The problem is with the rear left speaker channel that I had the problem. And after I have a talk with the engineer that I'm repairing the electronics there, he explained to me that the shipment for the shipment parts for this model will take about 2 weeks or so. And since he's very busy right now doing something else and repairing all the time, he said I should wait a little longer, and I just decided to go for something else. And when I will have the when he'll have the available time to process the order that I made, he probably fix this one too. So anyway, I decided to move on. Let's put this aside, and I'm going to show you my new purchase that I made. This is the Genius 5.1 home theater surround system. As you probably remember, these kind of things was released 8 or 10 years ago. They're very popular everywhere, and this is how he looks like from the front. The subwoofer that is that is made on the cherry wooden, but I believe that is not, because right here we have actually it's some kind of playboard or something covered with something else that is actually imitating the wooden cherry. But yeah, overall is very heavy. First I'm going to show you the front, and then we're gonna have to go to the back and show you a couple of things that I made. Right here we have the woofer. This is the how should I explain to you? This is the woofer that is this things is actually what is made is you can control the woofer. There will be less or more to the right here. The other is the center that you can also, it has the same function, more or less to the center, depending how do you want to have the sound. This is the master volume, minimum and maximum. Right here, moving along, we have the surround, more to the left or more to the right, and of course the standby button that you can use. And down we have the DVD, TV, game, CD or MP3. Okay, right here we have the mute LED. This one is turning red color, if I remember correct. Yes. And right here we have the tube. It's very heavy. I can move it from here so I can show you more. From here the speaker, from here the air is circulating from the inside, from outside, just like the normal subwoofer. And now if you're moving along to the back, we have the connections that you can use. Left to right for the TV that I've showed you before, the game, and CD or MP3. Down we have the front left, front right, rear right, rear left, subwoofer, and it has two connections. And right here it says 5.1 input. Right here we can connect the 5.1. Right here we can only connect two of them because it's left or right. Okay, and right here we have the output for the center is only marked, is written only into the right side right here. So if you want to go to the left side, then there is nothing here that is written. Anyway, but I'm going to explain you more in depth. Right here we have the plus and minus. Plus will be always on the left side, and the minus, the negative wire, will be on the right side. So we're going to start from center, rear left, rear right. the front, the how should I explain, the front right, front left. Right here we have the other speakers, the other two, and right here we have another two speakers. So it's in total the five satellites and one subwoofer. So you can make an idea what these things use. It's very important how to connect them, because if you're wrong right here, the speakers will sound differently. So they will switch from the right to the left and so on. So it's a total mess. So you're gonna have to be very careful when you're connecting them. Anyway, by the way, I want to show you this. Since it's positive, it has a white mark on it right here. Pardon. It has a white color stripe on the wire right here. So if you see, this is different than the negative one because it's completely black, while the other one it has a white mark, white stripe on it. Okay, so all you have to do is just press and insert it here firmly, because if it's moving, of course it's not going to make the proper contact here. Yeah, right here is the safety fuse. This one, when he's using the a lot of power and is protecting the system, every time right here is the fuse. This fuse is protecting, like I said, and this one will burn first instead of burning the entire subwoofer and the parts on it, of course. And right here we have the on-off button. And down below we have the multimedia hi-fi system, speaker system. The model is SW-HF 5.1 5005, and it doesn't say where it's made, but these are the specs. So yeah. Anyway, and I'm going to show you the remote control that I have right here. This is the remote control that the seller gave me. This is the Genius. It doesn't have much on it, but first I'm going to show you how it works. Let's turn the home theater on. It has the blue LED. What I want to mention is normally when this, what I've read and what I've seen in the reviews of the other guys from the internet, the volume should be right here, instead of in this part. So whenever you try to turn on the home theater, the volume should stay right here. But if you, how should I explain to you, these things are present here for over 8 years or so, or even more. Over time, these things will cause this electronic system to fail over time. So yeah, there's nothing I can do. So this one, if you want, you can also replace the entire panel, or you can use it just like that, just like I'm having right now. Of course, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to show you the buttons and see how they corresponded back. Right, let's go for the TV. Of course, we'll light up all the time. Let's go for the game now. We'll light up in blue light, of course. CD MP3, lighting up. And for the mute, there is turn red, like I said. So yeah, this is the remote control. This is the standby. I pressed on standby, and of course the volume will go down, just like it's turn off. And if you want to turn on, of course you're gonna have to press standby once again, and the system will remain this way. Here you can use the plus and minus. You can control the volume master all the time. Yeah. What I want to explain to you is this combination of it works very nicely with the Creative Xtreme Gamer, and I'm going to make you a demonstration. I hope you like it. Anyway, it's not much, but if I'm going to more inside with the phone to show you the setting, you're gonna set the light that it's lighting here, and since I have my LED turned on to my phone, it's not going to be a very good experience. But I'm going to make you a demonstration using the noise. Of course, it's mute. I'm going to try once again. Okay, and go for the DVD, because this is how I connected the system. Okay, and let's go for the noise. We have the left, we have the middle, it's right there. Okay, and the subwoofer, definitely. So the right speaker, the left speaker is right there. Anyway, yeah. And now we're gonna try a song. See, I'm gonna make to show you how the sounds, this stereo sounds like. This is an MP3 that YouTube allows it to use, so you can download it from them. And you can hear the bass. Yeah, so this was my review. I hope you enjoyed these speakers. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please put them down below, and see you next time. Okay, peace, bye.